Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobster hook. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a sturdy metal rod, ideally about 1/4 inch in diameter and 24 inches long. Also, grab a reliable vise, a metal file, and a strong pair of pliers or a dedicated bending tool. Don't forget your safety glasses and work gloves to protect yourself throughout the process. A measuring tool will also be very helpful. Now let's start forming the hook. Secure one end of your metal rod firmly in the vise, leaving about 3 inches exposed. Using your pliers, carefully bend this exposed section into a sharp 90-degree angle. Continue to shape the rod, creating a smooth, curved hook that is approximately 2 inches in diameter. This initial bend is crucial for the hook's effectiveness. Next, we'll refine the hook's point and prepare the handle. Carefully use your metal file to sharpen the tip of the hook. Aim for a sharp, effective point, but avoid making it too thin or brittle. Once the tip is satisfactory, move to the opposite end of the rod. Bend this section to form a comfortable handle loop, ensuring it's large enough for a secure and ergonomic grip during use. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on your new lobster hook. Carefully inspect the entire hook for any sharp edges or burrs that could cause injury. Use your file to smooth out any rough spots, ensuring a safe tool. Before using it, test the hook's overall strength and flexibility. If you wish, apply a protective coating to help prevent rust and extend its lifespan. Your custom lobster hook is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.